Minister, His Honorable Hillary, wherever you are, first come at the DJ's box right now. Yeah, if you know you love Uganda, better come a little bit closer. Better come a little bit closer, right? Yeah, I told you been honored by our own Honorable Rebecca Kadaga, right? Yeah.
Hi. Thank you for coming. Mama is going to give a speech from the main stage, so we shall move the other side. Mama, this is Nyege Nyege, and these are the sponsors.
Hello, Mama. Thank you for always supporting us. I'm here, like both of us want to say something, so show our gratitude.
Yeah. When I say Nyege Nyege, you say Nyege Nyege. 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 Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming from just a commercial break, right? Your DJ Cavton, your man called MC Divine, your crush boy, of course, Uganda, Kampala.
One round of applause. Mama, we thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being such a host here in Busoga. We started in 2015 with Minister Helen. She was there with us, promoting Ugandan traditional music all over the world. And now this is the 9th edition. We're really glad. Thank you, Nyege Nyege, for being our great supporter. Hillary and Catherine, I leave you the microphone for a small word. Thank you.
We would like to give our respect to her because year on year she has fought for us. She has been here for every edition. So let's give it up for Mama, people. And Mama, our gifts do not end here. We have more and more gifts that we have come with from Uganda Breweries, which we are going to give, I think. But because they are bulky, we shall be representing to you at a later stage. But thank you so much, Mama. And at this stage, Ali, please.
Mama Tukwanda,
What's up, guys? I want to say special thanks to Mama Kadaga for being our greatest supporter every year. She helps us out to make sure everything happens well, and thanks to the security teams that all work so hard here to keep us all safe. And thank you guys for coming out every single year in big numbers. We appreciate you all. Thank you very much.
Nyege Nyege. We say Nyege Nyege, we say Nyege. Nyege Nyege. Nyege Nyege. Ginger for what? For Nyege Nyege. Ginger for Mama. the blessings. We have the massage waters at Busowoko. Have you gone for the massage? We have water rafting at Itanda Falls. We also have, we love you. Thank you for coming to Ginger. Thank you for visiting. We love you all. We want to thank Nyege Nyege owners and the sponsors. Thank you for choosing Ginger. Thank you very much. Thank you for vibing. Thank you for enjoying life. Thank you for eating your money. We love you all. I want to take this opportunity. Bana, I'm enjoying it. We enjoy Mama. We invite Mama. Mama, you're welcome.
I want to start by thanking the government and especially the security agencies for keeping the security, for making sure you are happy, making sure you are safe, and enjoying your lives. Then I want to thank the Talent Africa and Alibaba for choosing Uganda. On the continent, there are 54 countries on the African continent, but they chose Uganda. So I want to really thank them for choosing Uganda year after year, and I want you to make it bigger and bigger. I want to assure you that the Uganda is safe.
You fight for us!
Yes, I fight for you every year. I want to assure you that Uganda is safe. There's a lot of accommodation, a lot of food, there's a lot of drinks as you can see, and parliament. So enjoy yourselves, have a good time, and after here, I want to invite you, on behalf of the President of Uganda, to invite you to visit other sites in this country. Visit other sites in the country so that you know more about Uganda.
This song is for beauty. We are mainly singing for beauty and love and peace. Beauty and love and peace. If you can't love, you can't see the beauty. And if you can't see the beauty, you can't live peacefully. It is love, beauty and peace. Let's sing for love, beauty and peace. Yes.
Mr. Ali Moses, marketing manager wa Tete Business Solutions. We deal in printing, branding, and general supplies. Tukola signages, tukola corporate wear uniforms, n'ebintu bingi. Bino byonna bye mulaba mu dduuka. Zino samples. Buli kyolaba kyonna tulina stores. Tukola bintu bingi. N'abasinga bamanyi tukola printing and branding only. Naye tukola bingi, tulina departments ezirimu civil engineering, ezirimu installations, mechanical installations, n'ebirala. Tuli located at Lighthouse Arcade behind Chum Towers, C12. Era bw'otuuka ku C12 obupande waffe wonna oba obulaba.
Amannya nze Nsuuga Mustafa, nkola ne Ali Hira Holdings Uganda Limited. Tuli bakozi ba biodigester wamu n'okuzimba okw'enjawulo. Tuli mu kizimbe kya commercial kwegamba kale arcade mu lulimi olumpimpi. So olwaleero tuli waneeno nga tuli mukola biodigester. Ekyenjawulo ekiriwo nti yo eri mu basement wakati okusinziira nga bulijjo abantu mu kiraba ti eno parking lot. So eri wansi eri parking lot eri mu basement. Leero tukoze size y'abantu 5 ng'era erina capacity okusavinga ekizimbe kino kyonna nga wekinaabeera. Waneeno ng'era emigaso gya bulijjo gya biodigester tebagenda kunuunamu. Atwetaaze ku namba z'essimu 07017669992 ne MTN 0789224230. Enamba ezo zonna kwe ziri ku WhatsApp. Abantu bafadde batulaba mu videos enkadde badde nga batumanyidde Kololo.
Okay.
Prince Charles Drive naye kati twavaayo
mwaddawa
twala omukisa guno mbagambe nti nno twavaayo kati twadda ku Grand Imperial Hotel room 28 first floor. So twavaayo enamba zaffe ez'essimu zonna zikyaliko nga bulijjo just nti twakyusa location.
Airbnb home ge maka gapangisibwa nga galimu buli kimu ojja nango ezo zokka gasangibwa na Mugongo kumpi n'ekiggwa ky'abajulizi oluguudo lwa Kolansi paka ku gate. Galina sitting room enteeketeeke obulungi, dining, effumbiro kw'ossa n'ebisenge bisatu okuli ne master bedroom. Waliwo wifi, CCTV kamera ziraba ebweru ne munda. Ku kisenge waggulu kuliko amasannyalaze okwetangira ababbi. Inverter etereka amasannyalaze ne gatavaako. Garden nnungi, parking nnungi, gate ya remote. Ekifo kino kyakommodatinga abantu okuviira ddala ku muntu omu, couple, family, nammwe abategese bu party obw'enjawulo. Kuba ku namba z'essimu eziri wansi awo